What is up, guys? It's Alex. Today we're going to be doing a video about this test tube aliens. I picked this up.
You gotta pick up your schedule.
I gotta pick up my schedule the 24th. Pretty sure.
What time?
I don't know. I have to look at the paper. But here today, guys, we're doing the test tube and the test aliens and test tube or whatever.
Work?
Oh yeah, you said that you were gonna take me.
Well, I work at 9, so
It's not gonna be. Wait, what do you mean 9? Like 9 o'clock or?
like 9 o'clock in the morning.
Oh well, then I guess I'm gonna have to have Jose take me. Oh, is that the paper right there? Okay, guys, this is the test tube. I guess this is the code to log on to the website. I'm not gonna show you the code because I need that. Okay, Bianca, you wanna do this video with me? Since Brooklyn's not here. Here's this crap that I have that you just gave. Okay, how do I do this? I'll be back when I figure out how to do it. Oh, hatch, feed, grow. Okay, so, it could be any of these. It could be any of these little monsters. Okay, so it says hatch them in water. Do you have Cliff's car for the day? For the week? I don't know how to open this. I'll be back when I figure out how to open it. Alright guys, I figured it out. So you have to twist off this top and this little thing comes out. And then you could twist this off. And then this comes out. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing, but so this is a little thing that they gave us. They gave us this ugly thing. His name is Cleve. Yeah, his name's Cleve. It's really ugly. It kind of looks like my sister. So I guess we just put this back in here. I don't know. Okay, well. I think that this is the egg. So yeah, I'm just gonna reassemble the egg and make it look like it's awesome. Okay, now all I have to do is just put water in it. I'll be back when I put the water in it. Oh my god. Dude. Oh shit. Okay, guys, we're gonna have to go move into the bathroom. Let's go. Oh shit! I'm gonna have to mop after this. Okay, sorry that the lighting isn't the best in here. I'm just gonna move the cabinet. Put that in there. Okay, it could be right there. I'm gonna be back in a couple minutes. I'll let this do whatever it has to do, and I'm gonna go clean up that mess like ASAP. Okay, guys, I'm back. Maybe I should have read the directions. That would have helped. Oh. Okay. Well, is this guy almost done? Because I have to... Well, I'll be back. I'm going to go make the food for him. And yeah, okay. This is the food, and I have to go mix it with water and stuff. So, I'll be back after I'm done make the food. Peace out. Okay, guys, I'm back from making the food. This is our little test tube alien. Yeah, I said all this. I'm gonna just clean out his little thing. Okay, so I'm gonna go get the lid. I'll be back. Alright, we're back. I got the top. Okay. It says put the top on. Pour the food inside. Okay. Now I'm going to put a little bit more water in there. Okay, there we go. Now I'm just going to put the lid on. There it goes. So yeah, we're gonna check tomorrow and see how much he grows. We're gonna leave him in the bathroom. If he grows a lot, that'll be awesome. It'll grow overnight. Now I have to go clean up the mess. That's really good. So yeah, guys, that's the end of the video. Stay tuned if you want to see a review on this thing that I bought at Walmart for $5. This little hamper thing. Stay tuned if you want to see that for a review. And if you want to see this thing that I also got on clearance at Meijer. Just to see what it was. So yeah, stay tuned. Maybe I'll upload it today or tomorrow. But yeah, this has been Alex signing out. So peace out. Bye.